showers. And basically, I just had this epiphany while I was taking a cold shower to talk about the science behind it. So let's talk about the physical science or the physiological science. Now, I'm not a neurologist or physician, but I have listened to a couple podcasts here and there, but I also made some research like about cold showers and basically I'm going to try to explain we have no lingo, right? If you want to hear medical lingo, go to Andrew Huberman. He's going to explain to you how it works. But basically, what happens is when you trigger a cold shower in your body, you're giving it like a negative stimulus where now your nervous system and or your fight or flight mode are activated, but in a controlled manner. You understand? So it's kind of like it's introducing a little bit of chaos into your system. And doing that has the benefits of increase, your immune system. It helps in reducing inflammation. And this is just a couple of stuff, right? There's more benefits that it had. It may improve your mood, right? All of this may, because we can't make claims. At least I can't make claims, right? Because I don't have a scientific study. So it may improve your mood, it may improve your immune system, and it may reduce inflammation. So three things. Now, in the metaphysical aspect of cold showers, one of the things that it does, let me just talk specifically what happens when you introduce cold shower. And by the way, it doesn't have to be a cold shower, but the reason cold showers are used is because your body can withstand more extreme cold than extreme hot. Because remember, as soon as water reaches a certain temperature, it starts to burn your skin. So you can't really do it with hot water like you can do with cold. Like you can increase the cold to like high amounts of temperature. You could even do it with frozen, almost frozen water, like 34 degrees. You can't do it frozen water because then you'll be putting ice. But you could it could be really cold, is what I'm trying to say. But if you get to like 100 and something degrees, you can't really go past that. Uh, but yeah, the first thing that happens when you introduce cold shower to your system, you shake, you gyrate. In the metaphysical aspect, what's happening is you're triggering your energy centers. So that's energy. If everything is vibration in the universe, you have unlimited source energy being wasted in a stupid jerking movement. Now, the way that you fix this is by controlling that energy. So basically, you're withstanding the cold water until you can take it. Hello from Quebec. How's it going? Just talking about science of cold showers. I don't know how long you'll be watching, but I just went over the physical, physiological science of cold showers. Cold showers may improve your mood. It may improve your or reduce inflammation, and they may help your immune system. So that's sort of like the physiological benefits of cold showers, which we all can Google right now. I'm not making shit up, but I wanted to focus on the metaphysical aspects. So basically, that vibration, those jitterings that you're doing when you introduce cold shower into your system, if you can harness that vibration, and basically when I put cold water in you, you can. It's not like you won't vibrate. Like it's not like you won't get cold, right? But what happens is the more you're exposed to it, the more you can withstand it, and that's you're increasing your willpower when you do that. This is why cold showers are using magic rituals, because this the mere fact that you stand in this cold shower is strengthening your willpower. And this is why SEALs, when I was in the military, because I used to be in the military, when I was in boot camp, in the mornings, the special teams, they will go and get blasted with cold water in the pools. And then they will do it right back at sunset. Me, because I failed my swimming test, I always had to go to the pool in the night times, and I think in the mornings, in the weekends, I think on Saturdays. And I always saw them getting blasted with cold water, and I didn't get it until now. Well, not now, like a couple years uh, before 2024. I think like 2022, that's when the whole shit about cold showers started to come out. But then it kind of hit me like, oh, what they were doing was they did everything to be uncomfortable in order to control that, especially like early in the morning. Like I just took a cold shower right now. And usually, you could do 30 seconds or like a minute or like 15 seconds, and it can help you. But I stayed there. Remember, it's like 40 degrees outside. and there's no heater in my shower. So I was taking the cold shower and I was just doing this, and I was like, I need to stay here until I can control this. So I stayed in the shower until I my body wasn't reacting like, because I could have gone there, oh, 30 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 30 seconds, okay, I'm gonna get out. So I'm like, I'm just gonna stay here until I no longer react to the cold shower. And a cold shower is statistically better than a cold bath, because your body in a cold bath creates this layer of heat that actually is kind of like cheating. But in the shower, you're always introducing cold water into your system. So going back to the metaphysical aspect, when you shower with cold water and you can uh, give form, I call it giving form to the unlimited source energy. So when you control that jittering, which is unlimited source energy, you're basically giving it form. And once you give it form, you're using that energy for something. So you can give it form by, I call it like you. It's kind of like you're storing that energy inside you instead of letting it go. "Ah, I'm cold." You're letting energy go from your lower energy centers. So when you control it and you don't react, you're storing it in there, and then you can transmute it up. And that's all I wanted to talk about cold showers and the metaphysical aspect. There's more science to the cold showers, but if you really want to know, like really want to know, just read Franz Bardon's Initiation into Hermetics. He's a French dude that wrote a lot about hermetics. I haven't finished the book, but then everybody left. Well, anyways, that's it, guys. 7 minutes. If you made it this far, shout out to you. This was just a quick video. I'm not gonna be here long. I'm about to end it now, so peace, y'all. Get some breakfast.